investment na hindi sasabihin sa iyo ng banker mo. At hindi mo talaga ito malalaman kung hindi mo tatapusin ang video na ito. Alam mo ba, if you open a savings account sa bank, you will get an average of 0.015% interest every year. Pero kung bumili ka ng shares of stocks kay BPI last January of 2024, by December of 2024, you have already gained 17% interest. Hindi pa kasama ang dividend. The best part is you can actually start investing in buying shares of stocks ng bank for as low as 1,000 pesos. Kapatid, gusto mo bang matuto paano bumili ng shares of stocks ng bank? Just comment down below bank or send me a message for details. See you on my next video.